Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure eBay Seller Hub for dropshipping returns. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To configure eBay Seller Hub for dropshipping returns, start by logging into your eBay account. Navigate to the Seller Hub homepage by selecting the My eBay option in the top right corner. Once on the Seller Hub dashboard, locate the Performance tab in the top navigation menu. Click on Returns from the drop-down options presented. In the Returns section, you'll find various settings related to return policies. Select Edit next to your current return policy. If you don't have an existing policy, choose the option to create a new return policy. Ensure that the return policy you select or create accommodates dropshipping. Specify the return window, typically ranging from 30 to 60 days, depending on your preference. Decide whether you want to offer free returns. If you choose to offer free returns, be aware that this may impact your margins. Next, provide details on who pays for return shipping. Consider having the buyer pay for return shipping if your dropshipping model requires it. In the Return Preferences section, indicate how you would like the returns to be processed. You can choose to allow returns for any reason or limit returns to specific conditions. Make sure to include clear guidelines on how buyers should initiate returns. Once you've configured the necessary settings, review your policy for accuracy. Click Save to confirm your changes to the return policy. Finally, test the return process by simulating a return as a buyer. This will help you ensure that everything is functioning as expected. With these steps, your eBay Seller Hub will be ready for dropshipping returns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.